Morning, everyone. I am Sarah Bishop, your Vice President of Legislative Affairs here at KADA, and welcome to our May legal briefs. Today, we are going to talk about where you're filing your initial application for title and registration. I want to make sure that we're clear that you have choices. You don't have a lot of them, but you got choices. So I think most of us are filing those applications in the county where your store is, and that's fine. That's one of the options. But you have an option instead of filing where the customer lives. And sometimes the customers will request that it be filed in their home county instead of where the store is. And that's all fine. The reason I want to talk about this is that as we're getting into more and more ELT, and it doesn't require your staff to take paper applications to some other county, I want you to be aware of these choices, because while the vast majority of counties are doing a great job with ELT, they're getting a quick turnaround time. There are some that are struggling with it a little bit more, and their processing time is slower. And I want to make sure that you all know that you don't have to use the county where your store is located. You can use your customer's county. All right. So if you've got a county that's slow or isn't getting the job done the way it needs to be in ELT, you got a drop down menu when you're filing these electronic transactions, so you can choose the customer's home county. All right. This is in KRS 186A 120. That's the statute that governs the initial application for title and registration. And so it's subsection 1A that talks about that. So that gives you those two choices, either your county or your customer's county. Now, if your customer lives in your county, you're obviously locked into to the county where your store is. But I did want to make sure everybody's aware that they have options, and that there's a lot of county clerks in surrounding counties that are reaching out to dealers saying, hey, when you have a customer from my county, do your ELT here and we'll get it done fast. So just a quick tip for May, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.